Hello, welcome to today's tutorial on data analysis with Raymond. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how to create frequency table in SPSS. We'll be looking at how to create frequency table in SPSS. What is frequency table? Frequency table in statistics is a way of organizing data to show how often each value or group of values occurs in a data set. So that is one of the things that frequency table helps us to achieve. It helps us to organize data to show how often, how frequent, that is from the word frequency, each value or group of values occur in a data set. So it helps to summarize large sets of data so you can quickly see patterns, trends. So that tells us the importance of knowing how to do this, because when you look at the data we have here, the participants that their data is coded in this SPSS, they are up to 100. And it is possible you can have a data that has up to 1,000 or 2,000 participants. So if you have such large volume of data, how do you summarize the data for easy comprehension to see patterns and trends in the data set? That is what frequency table helps us to achieve. So how do we go about this in SPSS? You want to create frequency table in SPSS. Once you have your data set coded in this format, all you just have to do is to go to Analyze, you go to Descriptive, you go to Descriptive Statistics, then you go to Frequency Tables. Once you get to the frequency table, then you just click on the variable that you want to create the frequency table for. Because in this data set that we have coded, in this SPSS, we have up to 5 variables here. We have up to 5 variables here. We have the student ID, we have the age of the students, we have the test scores of the students, we have the study hour, and then we have the attendance. Maybe you want to create a frequency table for the age of the students. So all you just have to do is to click on the age, then you click on this arrow to move the variable to this box. It is only the variables that are in this box that you can do anything with when it comes to analysis in SPSS. So once you have the variable in this box already, just ensure that this display frequency table is marked. If it is unmarked and you proceed, you will not have the frequency table created. But once you click on it and it is marked like this, the frequency table will be created. So once you have marked it and the variable is here, all you just have to do is click on OK. And then automatically the frequency table has been created. So within the frequency table, you can see the variable that we're creating the frequency table for. It's already labeled here. It is called age. So this is a frequency table for age. And then by the left-hand side here, we have what we call values or categories. And these values of category represents the various age of the students. The first age is 18. Another one is 19, 20, 21, 22 to 26. So that is the range of the age of the students from 18 to 26. Out of the 100 students, none is less than 18 years and none is more than 26 years. Now, after this column, we have another column for what we call frequency. And the frequency just tells us the number of times each of these values or categories of age occurs in the distribution. So we have 1 here for age 18. That means it's only one person in the distribution of data that is age 18. Then we have 11 here, which tells us that it is 11 people that has age of 19 in the distribution. Then we have 14 and so on. So under this frequency column, it tells us the number of times each of the age occurred in the data set or in the distribution. And then we have the percentage. We have the percentage column. It just tells us the percentage of this age relative to the 100 percentage. Because you know the maximum percentage is 100. So if frequency of 18 years is 1, and then you calculate the percentage to give you 1%. Now this one gives us 11%, this one gives us 14%, 13%. And then when you add all this percentage, it will give you a total of 100%. So this is the percentage in the distribution. And then we have what we call cumulative percentage. So in case you want to create a frequency table for another variable, we still go back to analyze, we go back to descriptive statistics, we go to frequencies. And then this time around, maybe we want to create frequency table for test score. So just click on test score and then click on right arrow key and it moves here. Like I told you earlier, ensure that the frequency table display is marked here. That is what we tell SPSS to create the frequency table. So once that one is marked, you can just click on OK. And the frequency table for test score is already displayed here. For 50 test score, it's only one person that had 50. For 53 test score, it's only one person. For 55, it's only two. And then till the highest score, which is 92, that is till the highest score, which is 92. So we have the frequency table for the test score also created here. Maybe you don't want to do it one after the other. You can come to descriptive statistics. You can come to analyze, descriptive statistics, frequencies. And then maybe you want to create frequency table for age, test score, study hour, and attendance at the same time. Just mark all the variables and move them to this box. Once it is moved to this box, just click on OK. And then you see that each of the frequency tables are created separately. So instead of creating the frequency table for the variables one after the other, you can put all the variables that you want to create the frequency table for, and then you click on OK, and automatically SPSS will generate the frequency table for you. So this is how to create frequency table in SPSS. Thank you so much for watching this video on this channel today. If this video has helped you in any way, if it has enhanced your understanding of this topic, we'd like to get your feedback in the comment section. If there is any statistical problem that you are facing, you can drop it in the comment section so that we can do video as fast as possible on it. In this channel, we promise to offer you nothing short of value as far as statistics is concerned. Thank you once again for joining today's video. Help us to like this video, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more videos like this on this channel. See you in our next video.